again. So yeah, so now once I logged into Kahoot, right? So now you have all the access. You'll create an account if you don't have a Kahoot account already. But it'll take you here to the main page, right? So the main page you got three. You know, what I'm saying? You got play demo, create a Kahoot, host a Kahoot, right? So for us, what we'll do is we'll create a Kahoot, right? So when it take you to create a new Kahoot, when it comes to creating a new Kahoot, you know, these assets right here will definitely be able to help you out. So you'll go to uh, new Kahoot, create. So on your first slide, right? So say if you're talking about, you know, you're in class and we're talking about, you know, goals, right? Goal settings or any types of ideas or tests or quizzes that's coming up, right? So you'll come up with your questions. For example, so first question: what is the largest city in the U.S.? You type it in the box, right? So then, if you want to add media, you can add media, find and insert media. So basically, it'll take you to a web page, and you can insert pictures that you want. Then you know you put in your answers here, A, B, C, and D. So after that, you know you put all your answers or your answers in, and so now you'll put the time limit on the side, how many minutes that you want for each question. You can do 5, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, however much time you think that everybody gonna need. For me, I would keep it at 20 or 10 seconds to make the game even more interesting and more intense because it doesn't give you a lot of time to look it up. So you actually have to know or actually have to have studied before you taking this pop quiz, right? Or if you don't know, you know what I'm saying, or you have some type of educated guess hypothesis, you know, then you go from there. So it gives you enough time, but it don't give you a lot of time. That's why I would do the 10 seconds, right? Uh, so once you finish with the first one, then you'll go add slide. So then you'll add another slide. It has all different types of slides on the side that you want to add. So basically, you'll add the same normal one as well, right? So then once you finish, then add a new one, and then after that, you so on, and you can or you can duplicate it, right? So now I done duplicated it. So now you have another screen. Boom. So now I change my answer. You know, then you could go. Something like that. So on and so on, right? Um, but yeah, so this is how you do it. And so once you done, creating your Kahoot, right? Press preview. Then it lets you see, you know, before you submit it, make sure everything is correct. Because you don't want anything on there. It makes you look, like a teacher that, someone who don't know what they're talking about, right? Or look silly. Then you'll save it, and then from there, you'll be able to share with your class. You'll have an access code to share with your class. All they would do, they would go to Kahooted, they enter the code, and they'll take them straight to the game. And that's how you'll be able to create a Kahoot or implement this into your class. Thank you.